Ay. Oh, dito lang nagbablog. Hello.
Ginagawa po natin ngayon.
Ako kasi mahihayin ako mag-video eh. Ayan, mga kasama ko.
At kita mamaya uncle, di pa hindi pa ito
Gusto daw nila masira yung tuhod nila. Gusto nilang mapasa away bigla. Joke lang ah.
Babalik yung camera ko, baka nabasa yung lens.
Yeah.
Not.
Oh, magbibigay siya ng si... Ang pangalan niya?
Sid. Ay, sorry.
Hindi, good, good.
Okay.
Good.
I have uncle.
I love it. I like here. I don't want to carry it no more.
Kela? Kela?
Thank you.
Sorry? Sid.
Kid?
Sid.
Sid.
Sid, okay.
S-I-D. Sidesh.
Oop! Nabidyo yun. Tama. Okay na daw.
She will take a video for me.
Oo, magbibidyo siya.
Oh, there's a two row. I'm coming.
What's his name is going to say that?
You guys ready? Walang nga ako. Walang nga ako. Napasubo tuloy kayo.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Look how clear it is. So unreal. Tayo, let's go.
Tapos balik na tayo ng 3 ah. All the way down, 3.
Okay. Let's go.
Go. Kasi ayaw kong yung sasakyan kasi niisip ko.
Ay, hindi po yun.
I'm like Randy now, but I can't do that to my legs. His legs got
Punta na kami dyan!
bad. Let me tell. Good job.
Nice, that's tree over there.
Where's the lookout?
Buti din na lang kayo nagpa-drop off. Eh, maganda mag-picture dyan.
Salamat, kuya.
Yeah.
Clear day. Come on, let's go. Time to take advantage of this.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Go. Woo! Look at all this.
Yeah. It's all the way in... Tatandaan mo dalawa na indoor na inopen mo.
Dalawa na?
Ayan, yung isa doon.
Oh, okay lang kuya. That was the best
Hindi, nag-alala lang nga silang sa sasakyan mo eh.
Huh?
Papa-pick up mo.
Oh yeah, don't worry about my car. Wow.
Buti maganda yung panahon.
Yeah.
This part.
Such a nice trail.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
Bye.
Woo!
Lala, palaban ako sa inyo, wala.
This is crazy.
Crazy talaga to.
Kuya, bakit ganito?
Go.
Let's go.
Welcome to bahay ni Kuya. Bahay ni ano.
We just did the king.
Oh, wait. Woo. Long hike this one. Very hard hike. Crazy hiker.
We are the
Woo. Crazy hiker.
Whoa. We're at the cabin!
Someone went
Holy
here.
moly!
Someone went here today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the footstep. Look,
Hindi,
you know,
Wow.
fresh.
Baka kanina pa umaga yan.
Yeah, this morning. Today.
O yan, nandyan sila sa loob. More code this one. Hello? Overnight dito. Nabutan natin siya marumi. Okay. Panindigan mo yan. Kasi gusto mo yan.
Ang ganda to, itong cabin to.
Mm.
Let's go back here again.
No more buzzer.
Salamat! Tomoho cabin. Thank you for allowing us to stay here.
Alam
Next
mo,
time, we'll be
mahirap
here
to.
overnight.
Umiikot ka. Kukunin ko yung parap mo tapos ko umiikot ka. Magpipicture pa pala tayo sa Summit Trail, no?